Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the front wheel well liner out of a Chevy Trailblazer. Very simple. We'll go through all the steps. So let's go ahead and get it into the garage and I'll show you how to do that. So looking in here, this is what we're going to be taking off right here. It's got a couple little connecting points there, a couple along there. You're pretty much just going to have to, let's see, I don't think there's any here. But you're just going to have to kind of follow along the edge and see where it's connected. Some of them are kind of hidden. I believe there's one up in here. And then as you come down on this side here, you have one here. So you just have to go around and get all that off. But basically what will happen, and you can see, let me get a little closer in there. All right, so we have the tire out. So now we have a clear shot here of the wheel well in this liner. There's one screw here, and I believe that's it. I mean, really, it's just working it out. It's inside the fender tucked in pretty good. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little locking plugs aside from this from the screw. I'll go ahead and get a close-up and show you what we're looking at. We just need to pop those off, and then I believe we can get this thing out and then have more clearance in here. Right here, you have your running board piece of molding. You have a 10mm screw holding the liner there. Nothing else coming around here. Now, on this particular one here, I don't know if there were some attachments here at one point, but on mine there's not. So if you have them, you'll have to remove those. Coming along here, there's nothing else. And then working our way here to the front, pretty much what you have, it's just tucked in here to the fender. So you just have to work that out. Now, coming here further in, you have this bump out here on the inside of it. Up there, you have moved. Working around from it here, you have 2 more clips there along the back that have to be removed. That one and that one. Now pulling back here, you have your shocks and springs. Right above them, you have one here. You have another one here that has to be removed. And now working your way back down, you have this little access flap, and you've got 2 more, one there and there. So you have 6 little clips that have to be removed, plus that 10mm screw, and then this liner should come right out. Coming underneath the wheel well, here we have this is the front bumper. There's one more clip right there holding the liner in, which I failed to mention earlier. So that one there is on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and pop that one off, and then we'll be able to remove this. Okay, so we removed the last clip. Let's go ahead and drop this liner. What you can do is just put your hand in here, pull it, you'll get that out, and then we can work this out here along the top. Like that. All right, so now to put that back, it's the same way that we took it off, but just in reverse. I'm going to show you real quick in a time lapse, but it's pretty simple, just the same way. All right, well that pretty much wraps up this video on how to remove and to replace and put back on the inside of the wheel well liner there on the front of the Chevy Trailblazer. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.